I live in Pinecrest, and I called Douglas Orr Plumbing, and it looks like there's a stoppage from my septic tank. So the gentleman that came to visit us, he will be doing some sort of repair, and I'm going to be documenting everything here.
Okay, that's your 3-inch clean out outside. We're going to go ahead and cut that down the grade and run the snake through there.
And where does that go?
That goes right on this 3-inch line right here.
And why do I want to cover it? What makes it? What's the
Well, you don't want no odors and you don't want no bad smell coming out of there.
Gotcha. Okay. Thanks. When do you know you hit something?
You'll feel it. And this goes across. I mean, there's really no how to use it. It's close out.
So we got the wipies that clogged us up, huh?
Those wipies in the line.
So anytime you got a baby, you throw the wipies away in the garbage.
Yes, even if they say they're disposable or they're safe.
Yeah, even if it is disposable, we wipe them.